For those of you who've never been to the World Travel Market before, I thought it might be an idea just to let you see how large this World Travel Market at Excel in London actually is. I'm now just walking along the incredible India stand, and as you see it's very extensive, and I'm walking towards the Kerala exposition where they have all their guests, but we're still walking past incredible India. Namaste Tours, Perfect Tours, Ramada Plaza, New Delhi, and as you see, very extensive, and we've not even covered India. Now if you multiply this display by probably 60 or 70, you'll have the full range of the World Travel Market here at Excel. We've still not reached the end of India. We've come to the arcade where we've got the incredible India Arch, and as we move down even further, we've got the various areas. Here's West Bengal.
It's scary. Sorry, I'm so sorry, lovers.
Maybe they'll give us a growl. Fabulous, thank you very much. The real tradition of India. It's always nice here at the World Travel Market to bump into friends from Kerala, and now I'm with Sajeev from the Fragrant Nature Retreat and Resort, somewhere I've never actually visited yet, so I'm very curious for Anne to tell us more about her resort because she's the managing director. Good afternoon, Anne.
Good afternoon. It's a pleasure meeting you this afternoon, and it's a proud moment for me to be a part of you this afternoon. I'd like to introduce Fragrant Nature to you. Fragrant Nature is a luxury lakeside resort located in Kollam in Kerala. It is an absolutely beautiful resort, a perfect holiday getaway. I welcome all of you to visit Fragrant Nature in Kerala, God's own country.
What sort of things do you specialise in, Anne?
We are a resort located in a very serene village in Kerala. It's an absolutely simple, beautiful place where you can experience Kerala in all its splendor, in all its color. You can experience the culture of Kerala, the local community, the local cuisine, and everything that's part of Kerala. We also have a specialized spa where you can experience authentic Ayurvedic-based spa therapies. A perfect place for you to come and have a holiday.
And I'm sure you'll always have a nice welcoming smile like you have now.
I definitely will, and welcome all of you to Fragrant Nature.
Namaskaram, Swagatam. You're now able to see how intricate it is with the makeup, the culture and the tradition of preparing for the traditional dance. Aha.
The other colors that you have.
This is the grinding, then mix of coconut.
It's with sulfur. It's not with sulfur. Oh, I see. How do you actually put the color in sulfur? Is like sulfur, you grind it and then you mix it with oil?